Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. If it is your first time or second time to watch this video, you are in the right place. This video is going to be about what is a computer networking and what are the components of computer network. Don't worry, if you are technical or non-technical, you are going to understand. I mean, if you are learning computer network or you want to engage into learning computer network, this video is for you and you are in the right place. Guys, let us be honest. Learning technology from textbook, it can feel boring and confusing. I struggled to memorizing topics that did not really make sense, read theory that did not really make me understand. But the moment I start learning computer network from real world analogy and diagram, the topics become more interesting, more engaging, and more exploring. Don't worry, just follow the video along the way. You are going to understand through real life analogy and diagrams. So what is a computer network? A computer network is when two or more devices that are connected together to share data, information, and resources. And connecting just two devices does not mean that they are networked as long as they cannot exchange data to each other. Let's say a computer A cannot send to computer B and computer B cannot send to computer A. They are not networked unless if they exchange the information to each other. And we have protocol. All the devices in the network, all the devices that run over the internet use something called protocol. What is a protocol? A protocol, it is a set of rules that devices use to communicate over the internet. We human too, we have protocol. Let me give you simple analogy. You lost and then you want to ask someone to guide you. You cannot just approach them and start asking them. First, you need to greet them politely and then ask them what you want. So the same as the devices. Always, before establishing connection, the devices must agree on set of rules, which is called protocol. So I hope you have understood. So here we have a simple topology. As you can see, we have an internet, we have a modem, we have a firewall, router, wireless router. So the internet is connected to the modem is connected to the firewall is connected to the wireless router, and the wireless router is providing internet to the devices. If it is your first time seeing those devices, don't worry, you will know them, you will know about them in the coming videos. This is a simple topology in the network. We call it LAN, local area network, because all the devices are connected in one place. So let us pass to the next one. So here we have a components of computer network. Because to have a computer network, of course, we need a components, different components. We have nodes, we have end device, we have intermediary device, and we have a transmission media. We are going to see each one of them. So this is a node. So what is a node? A node actually is any device that is contributing in the network, whether it's sending the data, receiving the data, or forwarding the data. So combining all these one, you will have nodes. And all the devices that you are seeing here, they are nodes. We have switch, we have router, we have modem, we have desktop, laptop, and printers. Let me just give you simple analogy. You go to restaurant, right? In the restaurant, we have people who make the food, we have people who serves the food, and we have people who come to eat. So combining all of them, they are contributing in the restaurant, right? It is the same as the notes. So no notes is every device that is contributing in the network. It can be your phone, your wireless router, your cable, because each one has their own functionality and purpose. They are not acting the same, but they still contribute in the network. So that is not. Let us go to the next. We have here end device. So what is an end device? An end device actually is a device that creates data and ends data. In other words, it's where data is created and terminated. Let's say you want to text your friend. You are typing something on your phone, right? You are creating data. Your phone is an end device. And your friend phones that is receiving the data is also an end devices. So an end devices is nothing by just where data is originated and received. So you are creating the data and your friend is receiving the data. So that is an end devices. So as you can see here, we have laptop, tablet, smart TV, smart bubble, scanner, and camera security. All of them, they are an end devices. And here we have intermediary device. So what is an intermediary device? An intermediary device, they don't create data by themselves. They just distribute data, or let's say they just forward the data to the intended devices, but they always connect the network segments. They control the traffic, they manage the traffic, but they don't create data by themselves. As you can see here, we have router, switch, access point, firewall, hub, and router. They act as a middleman. Let me give you a simple analogy. You go to a restaurant, right? We have people whom we call them waiter. So when you go to restaurant, they will come and ask you what you want, right? And then they will take your order and then give it to where the food is made. So they always as a middleman, the same as the intermediary devices. They always act as a middleman. And we have a transmission media. A transmission media is a path or channel through which data travels from the source to destination. Let's say if you want to go to school, right? You always use path to go to school. If that path that you are using is closed, so you take another path. But what if all the paths are closed? There, it will not be possible for you to go to school because all the path is closed. The same as transmission media. So without transmission media, computers would not be able to communicate. So we have two types of transmission media: wired transmission media and wireless transmission media. We are going to see them in detail. So what is a wired transmission media? A wired transmission media is a physical cable through which the data travel. Let me give you simple analogy. You want to charge your laptop, you always need a cable to charge your laptop. You plug into your laptop and you plug to the plugger or extension. The same as wired transmission medium. So in wired transmission medium, data travel through physical cable. And as you can see, we have Ethernet cable, fiber optic cable, and coaxial cable. All of them, they are wired transmission medium. And here we have wireless transmission medium. So what is a wireless transmission medium? A wireless transmission medium is where data does not need a cable, a physical cable. They can travel through the air. Let me give you simple analogy. You have your router at home, but have you ever used a cable to connect to your router? Of course, no. You always use Wi-Fi, right? You just turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone, and then your phone get the signal and connect to the router. So how does it work? So router actually provide an electromagnetic wave or radio wave. You cannot see it because it is invisible, but it travel through the air. When it travel through the air, and then you turn on your Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi get the signal and connect to the router. But we have many kind of wireless transmission media. We have Bluetooth, we have satellite, we have cellular networks, and so on. But those one are the most commons. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you have understood. We learned what is a network, what is nodes, what is end devices, intermediary devices, and transmission medium. So we are going to take a quiz. If you did not watch the video or understand it well, kindly go back and watch the video and come and take the quiz, because I am going to test your knowledge if you have understood something or not. So the first question we have is, which of the following is an end devices in a network? We have router, switch, laptop, and access point. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to answer. The answer, the correct answer is laptop. This is the second question. A node is any device that can send, receive, or forward data in a network. True or false? The correct answer is true. Which device is considered an intermediary device because it helps data travel but does not originate and receive it? Is router. The path through which data travel from one device to another is called transmission media. And the last question is, you are sending a message from your laptop to a server over the internet. Name one end device, one intermediary device, the transmission media used. So this question is for you. You are going to answer it. So I hope the video is well, that everyone understood it. And if you don't understand something, I am here for you. Just let me know it in the comment, and I will re-explain it to you so that you will understand. Thank you for watching the video.